Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. Today's Taskade guide is going to be a little more simple, with the main idea being to promote how hierarchy works within Taskade to categorize and organize your tasks. Let's get started. Now within Taskade's hierarchy, the first thing that we have is something known as Workspaces. Workspaces being at the top is the broadest category within Taskade. This is your main overall place of work. Everything within this workspace entails all your areas of work. If you're an individual, your workspace is your main goal or current goal. For a media agency, your workspace could be the name of your company, your brand, and so on. Now within the workspace, we can create different subspaces. Now subspaces are sections in Taskade where you can divide the broader workspace goal into different categories. For example, a digital marketing agency can create subspaces for every client they have to keep things organized and easy to navigate through. Now, after the subspaces comes the projects. Projects are areas where you write the tasks or manage the goals with your team within a subspace. This is an area where you create, import, and reuse templates to have specific workflows, and within these projects are your tasks and chat options, which is the bottom of Taskade's hierarchy. Now, tasks are short-term goals to be finished, which will lead you closer to your main goal and let you finish all of your tasks. Now, let's simplify all of this up with an example. Let's say you're a startup remote team. Your workspace should ideally be the name of your startup. Within said workspace, the different departments of the company will be divided into subspaces with the relevant team members. Within said subspaces will be projects that will contain the tasks and goals for the functioning of the company, and inside the projects there will also be a chat board to quickly communicate information across team members. We hope this explanation of hierarchy in Taskade will allow you to use Taskade better now. Well, what are you waiting for? Check out Taskade now from the first link in the description below. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel if this video brought value to you, and thank you for watching.